Hey everybody. When I was doing my circle pours, and some people didn't like circles, and I have no idea why my husband is pounding. I'll pound back up. There we go. I found a triangle. I found it in the corner of the basement, and I must have taken it from my dad years ago to mosaic. So I'm going to paint on it, and it is, I don't even know what, it's like that material that you would, I think like drill the holes in for, like to hang to, I don't even know what this is, but, I'm going to pour on it. And I primed it with gesso, which is probably a good idea. I probably could have used 2 coats because I can see, still see kind of the brown through it. But this is more for fun. Well, I mean, it's all for fun, but curiosity. So I'm using the open cups that I just used on the 20 by 20, just because they're here. And so you can tell they're still wet. So I'm going to use Artist Loft Green Yellow. I do have a paint mixing video, so you can go look at those. I'm just jumping in right here. And the silicone I'm using today, it's the same as what I just did in the video you watched yesterday. It's still in the peach, and it's the WD-40 in the black can. And this is the same blue with the iridescent medium, which I can't get enough of. So here's the peach with the silicone. Now I'm using Liquitex Basic Magenta. Whoops. And then, let's see, I kind of wanted to add, I'm going to add a drop of Grumbacher Dioxazine Purple, which is really dark. And let's pour some white. Just gonna finish this blue off. Oh. I'm gonna finish this red off too. So I have a whole bunch of colors in this. I'm gonna leave that out so I know what color it was. Okay. Oh, this one does not want to move on its own. Ooh, all those colors are pretty together. Who'd have thunk? I really love this part, so I'm trying not to lose too much of that. I want that part to go over. you know, I was kind of joking around with this one, but I really like it. I'll probably never be able to reproduce these colors this again. I just love them. Ugh. Big drip. I don't really want to tip it, which is why I am using my finger for all these parts. The edges aren't even finished on this. It's like the crappiest piece of wood. But it's gonna be so cool. Okay. So I kind of want this to go over there so that it catches on the side, so when I tilt it, I don't lose it all. There we go. I love this part. It does not look joined. That's better. can get it to the tip. The other side. It's fairly close. I'm just gonna bring it back a little so that's not as zigzaggedy. Those back over here so I can save them again. Sure is interesting. Can really see the iridescent medium. I like this, and I'm tempted to go back over that. Before I do that, I'm going to look at it. Ugh, that's purple. I want purple there. Gosh, that's a tough one. I so want to go back over it. It just seems so dark. No, I'm leaving it. I think. I'm gonna look at it through the camera. I can't decide. If I change it, I will show it to you on my next video. But I love parts of it. Well, actually, I love all of it. That's my favorite. It's pretty cool. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.